So the first thing that you will need for this are these wheat instant waxing strips. Now this is the one with aloe. Where is it given? Yeah, aloe vera and lotus flower fragrance. Now I know they have the smaller ones for your face, but I feel like that doesn't pull out anything properly, and this is much stronger, so I use this. Now in this you get these this thing that you can wipe afterwards when you have wax left on your face, and these are the strips. Now what you have to do is you take the strip and then you cut it. You will not need the whole strip at all. You will need just so much. Okay, so once you've cut so much, you're just going to cut these into thin strips because you want to be careful with your brows. You don't want to mess it up. So you're going to cut it like this, and this you're going to cut to 2. So basically you will need pieces that look like this. Okay, now before starting I'm just going to take some compact and make sure there is no oil or any kind of lotion residue, because then it will not be able to pull it out properly. Now if you watched my video on how I grew thick eyebrows, you would have seen that I asked you to go to one particular lady to get your eyebrows done. Now if you are doing this for the first time, then I will suggest you to go to a parlor, get it threaded first and then maintain it, because if you are doing it for the first time, I'm telling you, you are going to screw it up. So don't do it. Just go to a parlor, get your eyebrows threaded and then maintain it like I do it. I always maintain my brows. So now I don't have a lot of growth, but I do have extras, so this is easier for me. But plus I have some brow hairs growing here, so I'm just going to take one of these strips and I'm going to blow on it, because you just have to warm it up a little. That's my dog there. And I'm going to open one of the strips and I'm going to place it on the places where I think I have extras, but not too close to your brows. Don't go too close, because you can always take a tweezer and remove if there's anything extra, but if you screw it up then there's no going back. So don't go too close, just to remove the extras. Go a little close, okay? Now of course while pulling it out you are going to get scared if you're doing it for the first time, but I promise you, if you are used to threading your brows, this does not hurt at all. This does not hurt as bad as threading your brows. It does hurt, but very little, because you are using like really thin strips. You'll hardly feel it, and because these are extras, you'll not know. So you should be brave and pull it out all at once. Don't wait for it, and before pulling it out, stretch your skin a little and pull it. Yeah, do the same thing to the other one. Perfect. Now if you feel there's any extra, you just take a tweezer and you just pull it out. I have one here and I pulled it out. I don't know if you can see the difference. I have a clean space there. Now once you've done the top part, the challenge is always the lower one. So you are going to take another one, blow on it, peel it, For the lower ones, please be careful again. Don't go really close. You can always remove the extras or the ones that are really close to your brows with tweezers, but once you pluck everything out, there's no going back. So don't go like really close. Now the same thing with this also, pull it out all at once. Don't get scared, it doesn't hurt. And while you're doing it, just stretch your skin a little. I have few extras here that I'm just going to pluck out. Now for the centers, I'm just going to take these bigger ones and I'm going to place it between my brows like this. Press it to my skin. And pull it out. We have to go over it again. Now don't use the same strip again because it's not going to pull anything out again. So I went ahead and did my other brows off camera. Now once you've cleaned your brows and you've tweezed it out and all, you're just going to trim the front bits because these usually grow straight like that. So I'm just going to trim that. Now again, please be careful with this. I don't want you to ruin your brows. If you're not confident, then don't do it unless you are like completely confident about it. This is, I think, like my third time or fourth time that I'm doing this, so I'm kind of used to it now. Struggles when you have a dog hair everywhere. Yep. So my brows are properly groomed. Now your skin around can get a little red, and if you think that it's, you're getting those tiny bumps, just use aloe vera gel or use some ice cube and you'll be fine. So I hope that you guys like this video, and if you thought that I was a little low or I sounded a little low in this video, it's because I'm not feeling well. But I wanted to put this up for you guys before Christmas. So I hope that you guys like this video, and if you did, then please like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.